bike check for my friend Dave, and I'm going to start up top with the Kink Alpha grips and the barons that came with it. They're really comfy, they feel like ODIs. Tektro brakes and stock cable and stuff. Sabrosa Pandora limited edition bars are black with matte black with red splatter, and they look sick. Solon convex stem, random spacers, stock headset. Gara Bane fork, demolition momentum white wall, Odyssey hazard light, laced to the stock hub, and awesome valve cap with the Eastern slit peg. Stock Solon casino frame with the 2-hip pivotal seat, Nitro seat post and Solon seat clamp. Colony fantastic pedals. We spray painted them black. They don't come in black. Stock cranks and stock bottom bracket with the KMC half-link chain. Demolition momentum white wall on the back too with the Odyssey quadrant. Laced to the stock hub with the Eastern slit peg again. And I think that's it.
How heavy of it?
I freaking know, really heavy. Like 28 pounds.
It's like 16.
It's
Can
like,
I hear the hub sound? Can I hear it for longer?
it's gay.
You're gay. Oh, shoe. That's a shoe, not a bag.
Just need to get off my shoes. Freaking spray paint off your pedals is coming off.